Alright, now is the time to check it out. Look at these really cute engines. Here you can see James lookalike engine, and that's coming, and it looks like it's flying. So awesome. I never saw any playsets or any engine that's like flying like this one here. You can see the yellow one. They might have tried to copy Duncan. They might have tried to copy James, and here you can see Thomas. I'm not sure about it's like being original one or fake one, but whatever it is, they really try to make it really cool. But I wish the original company like Fisher Price or Metal tries to do something like this. I mean, like creative, something like this. Look at this. Oh, what happened? Look at this, James. Here you can see Thomas. Here you can see Duncan. I'm calling them according to the color they have, even though they didn't try to make a copy like exactly Thomas or James or Duncan. Look at this, how fast they are. It's pretty awesome, huh? They are really fast. And the track, I noticed the track is really cool. So these are not very common, you don't see it everywhere. I mean, like, it's pretty uncommon, rare, hard to find one. And I'm really happy to be able to find something really cool like this. And when I check the quality is pretty good. You can see the track, it doesn't have a single mark on a spot on it. Very smooth. That's what I was thinking of, like there's no sign of being it's a fake one. I have to double check to to see if it is a fake one or if it is like, oh look, they're going behind. That's me. I made it like look like that. Thomas and Friends. You can see some. Oh, look at this. And the next thing I'm gonna show you is Disney cars, and after that again Thomas. This is gonna be really cool. Let's go ahead and check some Disney cars. Fillmore and search for today. Look at this. Today I'm going to introduce you a really cool exceptional Thomas and Friends toys. You can see it's pretty much like egg and pretty uncommon. I never saw it before. And so I can't read what is written there. This is not a fake stuff. I bought it from Japan. So let me go ahead and open it. Look at this, how awesome it is. Kids are gonna love it the way they made it. It's not, I cannot find it anywhere, only in Japan. So it also looks like computer mouse. Look at this. So you can see number 1, 3, and look. Oh, sorry, how Thomas' face looks. And it has like engines, and it's really cool. So let's go ahead and get a closer look of Thomas. This is really rare Thomas. Sometimes it looks like even saucer, huh? Spaceships kind of stuff. Alright, thank you viewers. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to subscribe. Please check out channel and check other rare Thomas and Friends toys that you don't see in any other place. Alright, thank you viewers. Thank you for watching.